1.89 acres and completely beautiful panoramic views of Rice Lake. South Shore. I know you hear people say amazing $1 million views, but this is legitimately amazing. It's like having your own nature park, and you're really just 25 minutes from the 401, 30 minutes from the grocery stores in Coburg, and there's lots of little variety stores nearby. This property features 2 deeded waterfront lots, double lot to dock your boat at. Goes all the way down into those trees. You could edit a few trees out if you wanted even more Rice Lake views, but to me it's pretty spectacular. Just seems to go on and on. And of course from the waterfront lots you can go up the Trent Severn and pretty much anywhere in the world. The house itself is spectacular. High-end appliances, nice kitchen counter with island, quartz. So you have all the mod cons. I would actually not mind standing here preparing food or doing the dishes. I would certainly be up for that. I love how they made use of windows and light all throughout this house. Really nice skylights so you can stargaze or look at the beautiful clouds. It just looks painted. Kind of Maxfield Parrish, I guess, if you know that artist. Hardwood floors, gas fireplace, 2 main floor master bedrooms, both featuring en-suites. Really nice double car garage. This is kind of a cool master bedroom ensuite because it has a European style to it, so it's kind of just open into the bedroom. You could certainly add a door if you so chose, but it's a really nice glass shower, ceramic tiling, beautiful space. And again, with 2 deeded access waterfront lots, you can definitely enjoy docking your boat at your door. And the lower level is quite nice. It has a walkout basement under a covered deck. And actually, that's hilarious. I just said Maxfield Parrish, but I didn't actually realize that they had a Maxfield Parrish. I guess it never occurred to me. I saw a Maxfield Parrish exhibit in Rochester, New York once, and that's what made me think the sky looked like that. So funny. Maybe it was in my subconscious somehow. This walkout basement is beautiful. Again, you're kind of in a different vibe. You're in a forest when you come out this back door to the side and back area of the house. And downstairs, it's a great studio space, art space, guest bedrooms. New furnace. Literally new, like in the last 6 months or so. Maybe less. Walk-in shower and a den, which would also serve as a sleeping space, even though technically you need to have a window to call it a bedroom. 2 double closets here. Sorry, I'm spinning around kind of fast. But just to give you a taste of this beautiful home. Maxfield Parrish once again, mimicking today's sky.